Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to play music in Discord application. So, first you need to create a channel on Discord. So, you can go to your Discord and tap the plus sign at the left side. And in here, you can create your server. You can create your own, or you can start from a template by using a gaming template, school club, study group, or friends template. Also, there are artists, creators, and local community. So in here, I'm gonna use create my own, and then the, I'm gonna use for me and my friends. So I'm gonna tap on it, and in here, I'm gonna name my server. Example, I'm gonna use my server for music, then tap create server. Then tap skip up the upper right. So you can see now your new channel or new server on Discord. Now, to add or play music using Discord mobile, we're gonna use a Discord music bots. So, a Discord music bot is a type of bot that allows you to play music in your Discord server. These bots can play music from various sources such as YouTube, Spotify, SoundCloud, and more. Some of the most popular Discord musics includes Rhythm, Groovy, Fredboat, and Octave, and also Greenbot. So in this video, we're gonna use Greenbot. So to do that, open your browser. So I'm gonna use Google Chrome browser in here. Then I'm gonna search for top.gg. Then I'm gonna search on the search bar of top.gg greenbot. Green dash bot. So I'm gonna tap the search bar. And in here you can see the icon here of greenbot. So tap invite in here. And then you can see now an external application Greenbot wants to access your Discord account. So in here, tap add to server and choose your server. So I'm gonna choose here my server for music. Then tap continue. And then scroll down until you see authorize. So tap authorize and then tap the age captcha. And after that, you can see now that the green bot is on your Discord. So it is authorized now. You can now close the window or tab here. So we're gonna go back to Discord, and you can see now on the my server for music uh, server, the green bot is now on it. So to get started, join a voice channel and use play. So I'm gonna tap or type in slash play and the music that I want to play together with the person or band that playing this music, and then I'm gonna tap search. So you can see now that it's now playing on Discord. When using a bot, or music bot on Discord, just make sure that you choose a compatible with your Discord server. Some bots may require certain permissions or roles to function properly. So make sure to check the bot's requirements before inviting it to your server. Many music bot allows you to queue up multiple songs to play in successions. This can be a great way to keep the music going without having to manually select each song. And most music bot allows you to adjust your volume of the music playback. So make sure to familiarize yourself with the commands for adjusting the volume so you can set it to a level that works well for your voice channel. Well, some music bot offers also the ability to display lyrics from the currently playing song. This can be a fun way to sing along with your favorite tunes like a karaoke type of playing music. Depending on the music bot, you may be able to customize various settings such as the default volume level, playback speed, and more. So check the bot's documentation or website to see what customization options are available. And also, some music bots can integrate with other bots to provide additional functionality. For example, you might use a bot that provides lyrics from songs in conjunction with your music bot. So be sure to check with the bot provider or documentation to see what integrations are available. Depending on the hosting and features of MusicBot, it may be significant resources such as bandwidth, memory, or CPU usage. This could impact the performance of your Discord server or other application running on your device. So be mindful of any potential resources issues and adjust your usage accordingly. Some music bots allow you to create custom commands or aliases. This can be a helpful way to streamline your music playback workflow and make it easier to use your bot. So check your bot provider or documentation to see if custom commands are available. So that's how to play music in Discord Mobile. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching!